right, sir.
Okay, my name is Rex, and this is Rex Graphics printing press. We have a power situation where we have to use generator most of the time to do our printing jobs. This is our 25 kVA generator, which we normally use on daily basis for our printing jobs. And the 25 kVA generator, though we don't utilize up to 25 kVA loads, but we use loads close to 10 kVA to power our machines and equipment. So we decided to go solar, and that is why we have set up our solar panels and inverter. Our solar system here is 10 kVA solar system with solar panels to charge up the batteries. Right now we are currently running on solar. So I want us to take a look inside. Let's see what we have running on solar. So this is our reception. Everything here is powered on solar. We have all the computers and every system here powered on solar, including our air conditioning systems. This is a 3-ton air conditioner with 1.5 horsepower air conditioner running the entire reception office. Let's take a walk to the machine room. So this is our machine room. The machines we have here are running completely on solar. This is the printing machine. It's also running on solar. These are our GI machines. They are all powered on and they are all running on solar. This is our inner office. Everything here, including the air conditioning unit, they are all running on solar. So let's take a walk to see our solar system. So this is our 10 kVA solar system. We have two inverters here of 5 kVA running in parallel. And this is our battery bank. Kilowatt-hour battery that is supporting the entire loads we are running in the office currently. With the system we have now, we are generating approximately 3 kilowatts on this. Right here we are generating at about 2.9 to 3 kilowatts as well on this. So let's take a look at the loads we have on this. Both of them are working in parallel. They are synchronizing. So this is running about 54% load at this point. Let's look at this. This is running at about 53% load at this time. So as it is now, everything here is put together to help us have a seamless power. Right now, we are running completely off-grid. We can run all the machines and equipment here without grid power, without generator, from start of work from 8 o'clock in the morning till 7 in the evening, without using any other source of power except solar. All these were made possible through Zango Power. Thank you.